Every time I opened Obsidian, I had to manually find my research notes, learning notes, planning notes all over again. This wasted a lot of time. Then I discovered a combination of workspaces and bookmarks which lets me restore my whole working environment within a single click. In this video, I'll show you exactly how this works and the workspace bookmark system I use to manage my projects. First, we'll start with workspaces and the problem with workspaces. Then we'll go with bookmarks. And finally, I'll show you how I use workspaces and bookmarks to manage my workflow. Let us say you are working on a project. It could be anything. You could be writing blog posts, learning something, researching, and you will have a bunch of notes open side by side. You would be working with split windows and a specific layout so that you can work efficiently. Once you are done with the work, you will close the window, and let's say you come back tomorrow. Now what you are gonna do? You have to manually find all those notes again and set the layout again and work. This wastes a lot of time, and this is the problem workspaces solve. Workspaces save your current working layout, including the order in which notes are saved, split windows, and everything related to it, and then you can load it within a single click. You don't have to find anything. Here is how to set this up. Just go to settings, scope, plugin, search for workspaces, toggle this option. Now you will have an option on the left bar. Click on it. Here you will see all your saved workspaces. Initially, as expected, there will be none. So how do you save workspace? Just open a bunch of notes, design the layout as you want, and then click on this left bar workspace option. Write the name as you wish, click save, and then that's it. So now how do you load it? Just click on the option again and click load. All your workspace environment will be loaded within a single click. Alternately, you can also configure a shortcut for loading workspaces just like you load templates. At first, I thought workspaces solved everything until I came across this problem. As I was saving workspaces, I saved a lot of workspaces. Now the problem was just scrolling through these workspaces and loading those, which became a headache for me. I found a solution to this. Just keep only a few workspaces, just 4 to 5. You will have some 1 to 2 that will be permanent and others will be temporary. You just have to keep deleting workspaces, and that's how you keep it less. Now the problem is I want to save a lot of related notes. What do I do? That's where bookmarks come in. Bookmarks allow you to save as much as you want and you can nest them. What you need to do is just go to bookmarks tab, create a folder and put similar notes right there. You can even create a folder inside folder and put notes inside there, and whenever you have to load them, just open them again, which is a lot simpler than finding them. So how do you save notes in bookmarks? Just click on this bookmark tab, create a folder, open the note you want to bookmark, and right click on the folder and click on this option. Now that you have understood workspaces and bookmarks, now I'll show you my system. Let me get to my screen. Now I am on my screen and I'll show you how I use this system. Here I've generated a random notes using AI, so don't worry, these are not my personal notes. So I'll just show you how I use these in my workspace. So I have enabled my workspace. This is the flow I use. I have already created a node for it, workspace. Uh, let me open it. Here, I use a naming convention for saving workspaces. I use LT means long-term workspaces, which I save for a lot of time. These are not temporary workspaces. Then there are current workspaces, which I might be working right now, but I will delete them later. These are kind of temporary workspaces. Then there are CP current planning workspaces. Here you can see the workspace I saved, like current work Obsidian. I might be learning something about Obsidian or doing something. This is temporary, but here you can see LT long term to-dos. What this to-dos does is, like, I will write to-dos for a lot of time. I will not delete it. So this is an important one. But this one, if I click on it, this is a workspace right here. You can see I'm learning something about it. So this is kind of temporary. I'll delete it later. So this is how I manage workspaces. And now let's get back to this. Now let me show you how I use bookmarks. You will see the bookmarks option right here. Now it's not coming, but you can use this. Click Ctrl plus P, it will show commands, then search for bookmarks, and here you will see bookmarks and show bookmarks. Then here is, let me just close this. I use the same system here: long term, current planning, and current work. In long term, I might be writing to-dos, my to-do notes. This is a simpler version I am showing you. Then there are current planning. I might be planning some projects or something. These notes are here. Then there is current work. I'm learning Obsidian right now. So you can save these in bookmarks for a lot longer time. And I found this is a way better. This is much better way of organizing than just simply writing. So this is how I manage all these. This was all about Obsidian workspaces and bookmarks. Hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.